An American aquarium drinker, assassin down the avenue. You run, big city blinking. What was I thinking when I let go of you? Free interview, 5 cents.
5
That's a
cents,
nice
free
shirt.
interview.
You got to get that shirt on
We want
TV.
that shirt.
We want that shirt on camera. Come on.
I'm at work.
Just tell us no. Just tell us no. Just go like that. Say no to us.
All right.
All right. Like that.
No way, no
I like
way.
that. It's nice. That's sharp. Free interview, 5 cents. Oh.
And humor, I feel, builds bridges. It really does. That's why I like trying to joke around with people, because then it kind of breaks down perception. People are more easier to try to accept you and know what you're about. That was for you, baby. So, yeah.